It's that time of the year. The cold is about to be upon us, and I am harvesting some ginger and turmeric. Not only will I be doing the harvesting, but I will be showing in this video how I prepare my turmeric and ground it and store it in the powder form. The ginger, normally I'm planning to use the ginger to make some ginger cookies. Also, I will be adding the ginger in my sorrel, and I'll be also grounding some of the ginger for later use. So here's where I have the ginger. I find that this soil works very well. It's a soil with a combination of wood chips, organic manure, and peat moss, and it also has some trace element mixed within it. But here's some of the turmeric plants, and I have them plant among the ginger plants. So here are the ginger plants as shown here, and they do well growing. Together. Had no issues doing so. One of the things with the turmeric plants, they give off this nice beautiful white flowers as shown here. Later on you'll be able to see that, but here are some of the ginger that I obtained from this area, and they could mature further, but I found from my usage of those previously harvested, they quite had the potency that I need in them, so they worked quite well for me in that case. And so from time to time I'll be doing so. Now, you don't necessarily have to pull the entire root out. It depends on the quantity you have. Sometimes you can break the pieces that you want. Like in this case though, I did. Even this goes also for the turmeric. Here I pulled the entire plant, but you necessarily don't have to do that. Again, you could just break the pieces you want and then put the main root area back into the soil. But just want to show you a close-up view of what the entire system looks like. And this will allow for proper room and not for overcrowding of the turmeric bulbs. So I just felt I needed to do some thinning in this case. So looking at these turmeric, you see there's quite a bit of ice. So I'll be replanting some of these also of the eye, but the plans are I'll be grounding these. So in the step, I steamed the turmeric for 30 minutes, then I dehydrate them. Now I have a dehydrator, but also you could use the oven at no more than 175 degrees. That will also do it. And then once that's done, then I would chop them up in the blender. And then here I have this grinder. It's actually a mill, but once they're grounded, once they're blended into smaller pieces, then I use the mill where I have the powdered turmeric in that case. And so just here, these are some of the turmeric I observed. Then I'll be putting them in the glass bottles. But this is the process through which I generate the grounded turmeric and ginger. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Petersville Farm channel. Thank you.